Cycling POV videos are taking over social media right now. Just look at this Instagram page. By posting these hyper-realistic cycling POV videos, they've grown to over 2 million subscribers, with one video alone hitting an insane 24 million views. And it doesn't stop there. Almost every other video is pulling in hundreds of thousands to millions of views. The crazy part? These videos are actually very easy to create. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create viral AI cycling POV videos step by step using simple AI tools. Now let's get started. The first step is getting our prompts. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below, where you'll find the prompt template for this viral cycling POV niche. Once you're there, copy the prompt and head over to your preferred AI text tool. For this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt in, hit enter, and within seconds, the AI will generate 10 unique cycling POV route concepts. Go through the list and choose the route you like best, or simply type in your own custom idea if you already have a specific setting in mind. Once you make your selection and hit enter, the AI will instantly generate a detailed image prompt that we'll use to create our hyper-realistic cycling POV image in the route we selected. Then it will also generate a video prompt, which we'll use to animate that image into a smooth, cinematic AI cycling POV video. The next step is generating our image and animating it. Head over to OpenArt, click on Image, and the Create Image section will open. First, choose your generation model. Select Nano Banana 2, then head back to ChatGPT. Copy the image prompt we generated earlier, return to OpenArt, and paste it in. Next, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for short-form vertical videos. Set your resolution to 2K, and change your output to 2 images. Once that's done, click Generate, and within seconds, the AI will create 2 hyper-realistic cycling POV images based on your prompt. Go through both images and choose the one that looks best. Once you've selected your preferred image, click Use Image, then select Image to Video to open the video generation section. Now head back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt, return to OpenArt, and paste it into the prompt box. Next, select your video generation model. Choose Kling 3.0. Then set your video duration and preferred resolution. Once everything is ready, click Generate. And within a few seconds, your AI cycling POV video will be ready. Preview the result. You can see the video looks incredibly realistic, smooth, and identical to the viral cycling POV videos currently blowing up across social media. If you want to make your AI cycling POV video longer, first download the video to your device and open it. Then go to the last frame of the video, take a screenshot, and save it. Now return to OpenArt and upload that screenshot. This will help the AI continue the scene naturally from where the first video ended. Next, paste in the same video prompt we generated earlier. Set your preferred video duration and click Generate. Within seconds, OpenArt will create a new extended video that smoothly continues from the exact point where your first cycling POV video stopped. Download the new video to your device. The final step is editing our video. Open CapCut and import all the video clips in order. Next, set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Now add transitions to make the clips flow like one smooth cycling POV video. Click Overlay Transitions and select Mix. Then import your background music. Once you're done with editing, click Export, set your resolution to 4K, and download your video. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.